क्या यहाँ भी बुलडोजर चलने लगा? ऐसा कौन पावरफुल आदमी है जो आप बुलडोजर लेके तोड़ दिए? इसका तमाशा बना दिया कि किसी का घर बुलडोजर से तोड़ देंगे। आपका समस्या है तो चले जाइए थाना, पैसा दे दीजिए और घर तुड़वा दीजिए किसी का। कोर्ट को बंद कर दीजिए, सिविल कोर्ट को।
Demolishing houses with bulldozers has become a tamasha or a spectacular, the Patna High Court said in a recent case pulling up the Bihar police for razing a woman's house, alleging at the instance of the land mafia. क्या यहाँ भी बुलडोजर चलने लगा? और roughly translated to have bulldozers started to run here as well. Whom do you represent, the state or some private person? You have made it a spectacle, demolishing houses, said Judge Sandeep Kumar. The judge also said that he would ensure that the petitioner was paid 5 lakh rupees from the pocket of each officer involved if he found that the house has been wrongfully razed. The case was heard on November 24th, but the video of the proceeding was shared widely on social media on Saturday. Studying a police report in the case, the court observed that it appeared that the house was illegally demolished by the state police without following the due process of law, and Justice Kumar said that the officials appeared to be hand in glove with the land mafia. When the petitioner's lawyer informed the court that a false case has been registered against her and her family members to pressurize them to vacate the land at the instance of the land mafia, the judge said that he was there to protect the petitioner.
इवन व्हाट्सएप बुलडोजर ये कराए गए थे।
बुलडोजर
पेज नंबर 21 पर व्हाट्सएप फोटो है।
क्या यहाँ भी बुलडोजर चलने लगा? ऐसा कौन पावरफुल आदमी है जो आप बुलडोजर लेके तोड़ दिए इसका? Whom do you represent, the state or some private persons? तमाशा बना दिया कि किसी का घर बुलडोजर से तोड़ देंगे। From reading of the FIR counter affidavit of the SHO, it seems that all the officials are hand in gloves with some land mafia, and they have illegally demolished the house of the petitioner without following the due process of law. भूमि विवादों को चिन्हित कर थाना को ही पावर दे दिया गया एग्जीक्यूशन करने का। आपका समस्या है तो चले जाइए थाना, पैसा दे दीजिए और घर तुड़वा दीजिए किसी का। कोर्ट को बंद कर दीजिए, सिविल कोर्ट को।
और इन्होंने प्रेशराइज करने के लिए मेरे ऊपर एक एफआईआर भी दर्ज कर दिया।
बहुत अच्छे, एफआईआर नंबर दीजिए। अभी हम ऑर्डर लिखाएंगे, देखिए ना, आप दीजिए, बताइए। आई एम हियर टू प्रोटेक्ट यू, नॉट टू trouble you. It has been further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that a false case has been registered by the police against the petitioner and his family members to pressurize them to vacate the land at the instance of land mafias who are respondents, private respondents in this case. The further proceedings of FIR of Agamkuwa Police Station PS case number 801 of 2022 shall remain stayed, and the police is restrained from arresting the petitioner and his family members who are accused in that case. और कुछ 5-5 लाख सबसे हम दिलवाएंगे इनको, घर तोड़ने का मुआवजा पर्सनल पॉकेट से। जनता दरबार अब पुलिस और सीओ मिलकर घर तुड़वा रहा घूस लेकर। आ गया एसएचओ का अब सप्लीमेंट्री देना है और सबका बारात लेकर आइएगा आप।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.